This is Tracey from Mindless Crafting, and today we're going to be making this fancy fold card. And the inspiration came from Deb Millsap, who sent a card for our card campaign, and it was super adorable. So many of you asked if I could do a tutorial for it, so here it is. Look how adorable that is. So let's get started. Now I just used a paper clip to just hold it together, but you don't have to do that. It's up to you. And so for this, I used one of the paper kits that I have left over. It's an Echo Park paper kit, and it's called Be Happy. Okay, so this one I used the Vintage Berry Fields for this one, but for today's tutorial we're going to be using these pieces, and these are from the Be Happy paper kit, and it's nice because they all match. So you're going to need 3 of those, and these measure, so you need 3 of this one, and I did 2 of this particular one, all from the same paper pack. So these measure 2 1/4 by 4 inches. Okay, so, and this one also measures the same. You're going to need one of these, just a plain white, to put right in the middle there. So hopefully that makes sense. So you're going to basically need 6 pieces of paper, 2 1/4 by 4 inches. All right, so you also, let's put these to the side. You're also going to need some type of embellishment, and I just made this cutesy thing that can go on the front, right? And it all matches. I just took some of the stickers from that same Be Happy paper kit, and that's like the one of those 12 by 12, and I just made my own little embellishment by just using the stickers and a little bit of the paper scraps. Okay, so you're going to start with some type of card base, and I used red on this one, but for this one I'm going to use black because to me it matches better with this. And this measures 7 1/4 by 4 1/4. Okay, so you'll need to do that, and we're going to score it in a moment. Okay, so I'm just going to leave this right here because this is like my practice one. Okay, I'm going to leave it right there so we can kind of make reference to it all throughout. Okay, let's get the scoreboard in here. And you're going to score. You're going to score this at 2 1/2. And 4 7/8. Okay, 4 7/8 will be right next to the 5. So if you did 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8 right here, because I know that's not easy to get sometimes. Okay, then we're also going to need to make this fold right here. You see that? We're going to need to make that fold. So we're going to need to cut, not even cut, but score right down this side here. And I'm just going to push this up so you can really see this. So we need another line going right here, okay? So let me just fold this real quick. Okay, I'm just going to fold that just to give us some kind of reference, all right? So you see your folded edge? I think that'll make it easier. We're going to fold that in. Just for right now. We could go back and make it even more crisper fold on that. Okay, so you see how this is right here? We're going to make a score line there, okay? I'm going to actually turn this over and I'm going to score it going this way. So I'm just lining it up, and it's just easier for me this way. Just line it up at the 5-inch mark right there. And I'm just lining this up so that it comes from edge to edge. You see that? it just gives me a straight line basically. And you could use your ruler if you wanted to. Okay, so you see how that is? Now we have our fold right here. Now we have our fold right here. See that? That's what's going to give you that fold. So now we need another fold over here. Okay. So I'm going to line it up again. At that 5-inch mark, we need a diagonal fold going this way. Same as that other one. So I'm just going to line it up here, and I'm just going to drag my score tool to that area so I get a nice straight line. Okay, and I'm going to fold it. A nice crisp fold on that. A nice crisp fold on this side. Okay, so this is what we have. So that's what makes that line up, like when you get ready to fold it in, that's what gives you that fold. See that? Up that way. That's what gives you that fold. Okay? All right, on to the next step. Okay, so now we get to use these pieces, right? We get to add these in. So I have, let's see, 1, 2, 3. Let me just make sure I got the right amount here. I got 2 of these and I've got 3 of these. So don't confuse yourself there. All right, so I need that one of the whole pieces to go here. So that's why I have 3. So I need the whole piece here. Okay, so this is the back. I'm just flipping it over like that. I had cut mine in half, not realizing I could have left that hole. So I just got carried away. So this is going to be on this side. You're going to want to make a bunch of these. Once you get those couple of practices in, just keep trying. Okay, so I've got that. And then these 2 pieces, the other 2 that are left over, I'm just going to move these over here so we don't confuse ourselves, or so that I don't confuse myself. You can take your scissor and just cut this in half. If you're not sure, then you might want to score it and then cut it. But I think I'm pretty good at cutting a straight line. So you want to just cut this diagonally. And then you'll have a piece that goes here and another piece that goes here. So I'm going to do the same for this one too. I'm going to cut it diagonally. So it's easier when you kind of are looking for where the placement might be in case you get confused. This is the back part. And y'all may think I'm taking this slow, but I really want y'all to get this because I think it's a fun and unique card to do. Okay, so you're going to put this one here and this one here. And you might have to watch the video a couple of times to really get everything together. Okay, so let's see if I want to put that like that. Because on this side, remember we have those other 2. So yeah, I definitely want it like this. And that's because I'm using 2 different patterns. I think it looks really nice when you have more than one pattern. Glue on my fingers there. I'm just going to put that there. That black really looks nice with this particular cardstock. So many of you may have like paper in your cardstock kits. Like this is an Echo Park collection kit, and you might have papers you're not sure what to do with them. This is a great idea. Just move that over a little bit, and then this one. And because everything in that kit matches, you don't have to figure it out. Okay, leaving that little border around there. I go too close to that edge. Making sure I got enough space in there. Make sure not to glue on the crease, right? I had to really reverse Deb's card just so I could make sure that I had everything right on there. Reverse engineer it. So it was so well done. It was pretty easy to kind of see what needed to be done. So how cute is that? So you see how you have that now, the fold. So now let's go ahead and decorate the inside. Let's flip this over, just using that for reference. And now I'm going to cut this way, and I'm going to cut that way. And I don't know, I'm a pretty straight cutter. I'm pretty confident in cutting straight, but if not, you can put a ruler there and then draw a line straight across and cut on the line. That's just another way to do that. Okay. And those are going to go there, so. And then we do have our white piece here. Might as well go ahead and glue that down. And I know many of you have like little stickers left over from your collection kits, so go ahead and use those stickers. This is where you can like decorate the insides. All right, and we're going to do this side here. Right, if you have a 6x6 paper pack that you want and you're not sure what else to do with it, this is a good idea for those 6x6 because the papers already go so well together. Okay, make sure I didn't get on the crease there. All right, just making sure before I glue it down. And I'm doing every step. I'm not speeding up the camera because I really want y'all to you to be able to follow me with this also. Just follow along and you'll be fine. Ooh, you can do this in a Christmas, with a Christmas theme, right? So many different themes. Right, once you make one of these and get through that first process and you start making more, you're going to be addicted to this. Okay, so look at that, y'all. So here we go, look. That's how you get that fold. And let me just make sure I move this over a little bit because I see that coming over the top there. Just make sure. Okay, that's my glue trying to dry on that. Let's see, I think I may have gone just a little bit over on that. Let's see, my little trusty dusty. So if that happens, here's what you do. Look. No worries, right? Look at that. Look how pretty. So look how cute that looks. And I did the same thing on this one, so I didn't move it over enough. So just get your scissors out. So cute. Let's see. I think I might have a sticker or two that I could add on the inside. So let's get a sticker. Sorry, y'all. So here's some leftover stickers I have from that one. Making all that noise. I'm just gonna put one there. And let's see. Oh, here's another one. Here's another one right here. How cute. Let's put another one right there. How cute is that? Okay, and so you see how that closes? Just like that. I'm going to take this and make a closure right here. Just glue that on. Just make sure. See how that can open. Make sure that can open okay. I just want to make sure that looks good. It's in a good place. And to me it looks pretty good. So I'm going to glue that on right there. Try not to glue the whole thing together. Okay, so that's going to be right there. So just be careful when you're gluing that on that you don't glue the whole thing shut. I'm just making sure. And look how cute that looks. Oh my goodness. And I can even get another sticker and put it on the back of that. Get another sticker. Cute as can be. Be beautiful. See this one. I can just decorate the back of that. Just like that. Just like that. And close. Look how cute. And I'm just going to put a clip on there just to hold it together real good like that. Let's see if I could find another clip for this other one. Just like that. Oh my goodness, y'all. Is that not the cutest? So I hope that this helped you. All you do is just go through the steps and follow the steps along with me, and you'll be good to go. So hopefully this gave you some inspiration. Thanks so much to our crafty friend Deb for the inspiration for this card. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.